Okay.
Yeah, I can tell you one story. There's one person that really inspired me, and maybe something you should know that I had a hard time in my life for a couple of years ago.
Okay.
So and I was traveling, doing some travel. I visited a friend in Frankfurt, and we went out that night with a person who had set up a franchise company, a food store franchise company, and
Okay.
and I met this person, and he was so happy. He was like glowing from inside,
Hmm.
and it was not because he was wealthy or he was just well dressed something. It was just because he was just smiling, and the way he was going through life was just. And I asked him, why are you doing that? Why are you in the food industry? Why are you doing something like where you work extra hours and you stand in your business and it, like franchise in the food industry is really really tough. And so I said, because I really love what I'm doing. But me and my brother, we started this business when we were 18. We lived in Asia, and we found out we loved the Asian cuisine. We came over, we tried out something, we started a business, and we loved it. And that's the reason why I still work 60, 70 hours is because I love it. And that was so inspiring for me, because the way he smiled and he was walking through life, that was a life-changing moment for me. And so the person found what he's burning for. I want to have the same.
You made a decision that you want to have his sense of fulfillment as well.
Yes, and I'm pretty sure once you found what you really love, you will stop working. So, because this for me, obviously, this is kind of work, but it doesn't feel like work. So, other wouldn't say on a Sunday, I would never spend 2 hours, 3 hours on a Sunday night doing kind of podcasts. But I love talking to you. It is just it's a work. Yesterday I had a training. We came back at 6. I came back at 6 at night. Brought the children to bed, and then I wrote a presentation for tomorrow. It doesn't feel like work. It is just it is.
What do you enjoy? What do you love
it's
doing?
enjoy. It's like a purpose. I found a purpose, and maybe that's what I loved about this person I met in Frankfurt. He had a purpose. He found his purpose,